Welcome to Shadow Sam Statues, and today we're reviewing Goku.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey guys, thought I'd bust out a real quick video today. So we've got the statue here. We'll quickly see what it is. You can see that it's actually a lot of plastic. It only came in an envelope. It comes with this box over here. You have to assemble it yourself. I actually ordered it with a box. You can choose an option with or without the box. I ordered it with the box. I thought it'd be cool to unbox on YouTube, but apparently you've got to make the box up yourself. But I'll give you guys a look at that soon. And here is the model. My special effects. That's the only one you're going to get. So you can see here, all that came in the package looks like his staff in 2 pieces, a plain base, and Goku in 1 piece. So just a quick close-up of the box and the figure. You can actually see they're pretty identical. The figure matches the movie poster pretty well. The face sculpt, which is also on the side of the box, matches up. I'll give you a close-up of the face soon if you guys wanted to compare, but I don't really think you would, because I'll do it anyway. I'll show you a comparison of what the box looks like towards the face. And that's about it. It says the 20th film. I don't actually know the 20th film of Dragon Ball Z. I don't know what studio produced this. It says Bandai Namco on the box. I actually don't know if it's an official statue or what sculptors went into this. It says the Band Presto, but I doubt it's the Band Presto because it was very cheap. I paid $20 US in total for it, $12 US for the actual figure, and only $8.50 US for the shipping. So we'll just get this stuff assembled very quick. This is very easy, one of the easier ones to put together. Oh my words. Okay, maybe it's not. Fuck, this is a lot harder than I thought. Well, here we go. So I'll give you guys a close-up of it. I'll give you guys a close-up of the sculpture now and see what you guys think. Now, from what I can see, for paying, what was it, $8.50, or not $8.50, $12 US, so $20 US in total, just rounded up. It's fairly decent, fairly heavy. It's quite sturdy, very sturdy actually. Quite strong. I do have worries about it going yellow in the sun, so we'll see about that later. His arm position to me is a little weird. It looks like his arm is actually going behind his back. I don't actually like that too much. But nah, it's funny to me. It's doing this. Yeah, I can't unsee that now. But what else? Seam lines fairly visible in the head, even though it's black. You'll see that in the close-up. It's a nice big seam line along his head. The colours are quite accurate. I don't have any complaints. The symbol looks awesome. The symbol looks very well done. There is slight shading or slight toning done. And the boots, let's see the boots. The boots are looking a bit, I don't know. I don't know, I was expecting more from this one, to be honest. Don't know why it's not scanning properly. Oh, there we go. It's not in properly. But overall, it's still pretty cool. So the things I like about the statue, the colour and paint jobs, awesome. I don't really complain with it. They could have made the ropes of his shoes a bit lighter. That's probably my only correction in terms of paint job. His eyebrows do look a little funny, but I think that's because it's the new animation style on Goku. And I like that it's a very sturdy figure. Yeah, that's what I do like about it. What I don't like about it is the seam, and that. But the biggest thing is his arm. Really, his arm's coming out in a weird angle. In the poster, it comes out. It's coming out in this angle, and this one is coming out like this. It looks a tiny bit funny, but overall, you're only going to notice it if you're examining the sculpture like I am. So the statue measures from just this here, not a staff. It measures 23 centimeters high. So if you're putting a staff, it's 25.5 centimeters. So that's what roughly 10 inches. And yeah, roughly 10 inches. And the width is 10 centimeters across. So that's what, roughly 4 inches wide. Fact number 1, he ages slower than humans. Fact number 2, he's afraid of needles. Fact number 3, he's based off Sun Wukong from the Chinese legend Journey to the West. Fact number 4, he'll beat anyone. Anyone. Batman, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Hulk, Wolverine, Naruto, One Punch Man. Yeah, what? One Punch Man. That's right. Done. You can't survive if he blows up the planet. Teleport away. Boom. Dead. What are you gonna do? Superman. Nah, he won't be Superman. If you know anything about Superman, Superman Prime can literally just think anyone out of existence. That's cheap as. Continuing, fact number 5, Bardock, Goten, and Goku are all voiced by the same female voice actor in the Japanese anime. 6, this is quite interesting. He's actually older than his body. Those of you know that he's been wished back a couple of times, and Goku himself is older than his physical body on Earth. I thought that was just a cool little fact. Fact number 7, the creator got rid of his tail because it was too annoying to animate. Fact number 8, Goku has a national day in Japan. That's May the 9th. Sean Shimao, I'm pretty sure that's the way I say it. In fact, I don't know. While the voice actor of Goku passed out, turning Super Saiyan. This was during the Super Saiyan 3 transformation. He went unconscious while he fainted, yelling, going to Super Saiyan 3. Fact number 10. Goku, being the good guy that he is, he actually killed his grandfather, Gohan. He went into an ape, he saw the full moon, went into an ape and killed his grandpa. I'm sure die-hard fans don't really know that, but the new Dragon Ball Z fans, the younger generations, I'm pretty sure don't. That wraps up this quick review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the statue, seeing what your money is buying you or seeing what you can get for $20. I hope that you guys follow and subscribe. Just do it down below. My Instagram is there as well. Please check it out. Check out Shadow Stamp Statues. We'll be making our own statues very shortly.